Little bird's surprise. Bum clunk. Little bird fell out of the nest. The nest was up so high. How would he ever get back home? I know, said Little Bird. I will jump up to the nest. Jump, jump, jump. But that did not work. I know, said Little Bird. I will climb up to the nest. Climb, 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 climb. But that did not work. Little Bird began to cry. He flapped his wings to dry his tears. Flap, 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 flap. Oh, what a surprise! Little Bird could fly. Little Bird flew up to the nest. Welcome home, said Mom. You're just in time for dinner.